a signal with DC component, because before we don't have shown any signal having a DC component, right, or showing an amplitude at zero frequency, right? So here you can see that we have a DC component, right, and then this is the fundamental frequency, and here we have the integer multiples of, so if f, 3f, and so forth, right? And this is the conclusion, right? So spectrum, range of frequencies contained in a signal, then we defined the absolute bandwidth, width of the spectrum, right, or the effective bandwidth, or we can